What's going on, guys? Spencer Clays here, and today we are going to be doing a Christmas light video. How to set it up, how to charge it, how to do the job, and all this sort of stuff, what you're gonna need. And we're gonna get right after it. So today we got just the standard lights from Home Depot. The C9s are the most popular light by far, I would say. Probably like 99% of houses that I do use these lights. You're gonna need some clips, which is just standard gutter clips. They clip onto the eaves and also they clip onto the gutters. And then also a couple extension cords. That is pretty much it. We'll go into the other details in the video, but we're gonna get right after it. So let's go. All right, so once you get your lights, extension cords, and clips, next is really the hardest part, is just kind of figuring out where everything goes. You're gonna gotta find out where your plugs are gonna go, where your extension cords are gonna go. We ended up doing it in the very back. We just had one big long extension cord with 3 prongs, and then we had a couple, kind of hanging off the backside. So that's definitely the hardest part, is just the mental gymnastics of figuring out where stuff is going to go. But once you get past that, the actual setting up the lights isn't that hard. You're really just clipping them onto the gutters, clipping them onto the edge of the house, and we'll show you a little bit more about that. But yeah, so we can get into pricing a little bit. This job was $500. I actually cleaned his gutters earlier this year for $300. So this is a great add-on. You can see we got the extension cords, the lights, and the clips. And yeah, so it's a great add-on service. And like, I literally haven't even marketed this year at all, and I already have like 10 jobs lined up for this, because the demand for this is insane, guys. Like, I'm telling you, if you're trying to make some extra money from the first week of November all the way pretty much until like the first week of December, like, you got a solid month that you can really just do as many jobs as you want. I think last year I had 1 week where I just tried to bang out almost all my Christmas light jobs, and I did like almost $5 grand in like a week. So you can make some insane money, because like yesterday I did this job and another job for I made like $800 yesterday. So you just do that pretty much every day. I mean, it's a lot of work when you're doing multiple jobs per day, but time to get after it. It's making money right now, like make hay while the sun is shining type stuff. So as usual, you cannot be afraid of a little bit of hard work if you're trying to make money. But as I've said before, there is no reason to be broke in America. So and one of the other points behind this video is, I was talking to a friend of mine, and he was saying, oh yeah, here's just me kind of clipping the lights. I was trying to do it one-handed. It's very hard to do one-handed, but you're really just clipping them on, and you're gonna need 1 clip per light. So I think if a spool has like 100 lights, you're gonna need 100 clips. So that's like kind of the best way it looks. But back to my buddy. I was asking him, like, hey, are you gonna do Christmas lights this year? And he's like, no, I just don't have the stuff for it. And I was like, dude, you don't need anything for it. You literally just need a ladder, which he already had that. He cleans roofs and does gutters. And I'm just like, dude, you're basically choosing not to make as much money as you could. And he's like, oh yeah, you're right. So, and then I was like, I'm gonna make this video so you can see it. And then so yeah, and also so you guys can see it, because I think everyone who's willing to work and wants to make money should be just getting after it. Yeah, and that's, as you can see, you're literally just clipping lights onto the gutters, clipping them lights onto the sides of the house. Anyways, guys, I kept this video short and sweet because your time is valuable. But if you want to dive deeper into this topic and learn a little bit more about the business, getting started, how to get customers and all that, I have a brand new book, The Official Roof and Gutter Cleaning Business Blueprint. We talk all about this, roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, all this sort of stuff. So get after it. It's like $7 for a limited time. I'll hopefully see you guys inside, but if not, I will see you in the next video. Much love. Peace.